Hello Dover Year 6, it's Miss Banks here and welcome back to our online learning. Today in our maths lesson we're going to be looking at solving problems involving angles in a circle. Let's have a quick recap from lesson 1. Charles looks at how the length of the radius and the diameter are related. Now these are two really important mathematical terms that hopefully you understand, but we're going to recap. The diameter is the length of the circle through the centre point, which will touch two edges on the circle. Okay, so it's the length of the circle that goes through the centre point. The radius is half of the length. The radius goes from the centre point to an outside edge of the circle. So the diameter is 2 lots of the radius. The radius will always be half of the diameter. So we can write that as D equals 2 times R. And then in algebra, we can take out the multiplication symbol and we have D equals 2R. 2R means 2 times R, as reminded by Emma. Moving on to our in focus task today. We have a circle and it says here O is the centre of the circle and the line AC is 14 centimetres. Which other angles can we find? So in the Let's Learn we have some of our friends, starting with Ravi. He shows us how we can find just some of the other angles. Ravi manages to find angle BOC. Now when it says BOC, if you start from point B, then go to O, then go to C, you can see the angle between those points is the angle over the middle letter, which is O, so it's angle X. So that's what we're trying to find. And Ravi knows that 120 degrees plus X is going to equal 180 degrees because AC is a straight line, and we know that angles on a straight line always add up to 180 degrees. So 120 plus X is going to equal 180. We can therefore do 180 minus 120 and we get left with 60. So angle X is 60 degrees. So here we've got the same problem on the left and Amira finds angle COE. COE. So we can see there that that's angle Y. And she says that angle COE and BOA are vertically opposite. Therefore, angle Y is going to be also 120 degrees because it's vertically opposite to the angle which clearly states it's 120 degrees. Our guided practice today has a circle and it says, if angle A equals angle B, so they're the same, find angle A. We know angle A plus angle B plus 90, because we can see there that is a right angle, equals 360 degrees. We know that because we know angles in a circle always add up to 360 degrees. We can therefore do 360 and we can take away 90. We can take away that right angle. We get left with 270. Because it states angle A and angle B are the same, all we have to do is do 270 divided by 2, and that gives 135. So both angle A and angle B are both 135 degrees. In your workbook, so we've got a triangle inside the circle which has a centre point O. We know that both angles at the base, so angle A and the angle that is empty, hasn't got a name for, will be equal. angles in a triangle we should remember equal 180 degrees. So if we were to do 180, take away 66, we're left with 114. So we know the bottom two angles, angle A and the one that's unnamed, will total together 114 degrees. So if we do 114 divided by 2, we're left with 57. So angle A is going to be 57 degrees. I hope that PowerPoint has helped clarify some points and helps you with today's lesson. Any problems, let me know. Enjoy, stay tuned for the new video soon. Bye.